Hey guys, this is Jules speaking, and this is Joseph. He's the very first of our new generation of ocean guardians. He goes to Northfields School. This is an extraordinary school in Mauritius, and it is has set to provide extracurricular activities that are ocean-based and eco-aware. Northfield is one of 125 international schools that are offering more eco-aware projects, and Mauritius is perfect for this. Look at the state of our ocean. Look at the fish. Look at the way it's protected. Look at the way it's preserved. There is no fishing with nets from November until March, until these babies have grown up and left their homes and they've gone into the deep ocean. This is a reef that's quite close to Ocean Spirit. It's called Peribere Aquarium because it looks like an aquarium. It's absolutely spectacular at the moment. There are millions of baby fish. And Joseph had an opportunity to dive in this magic world. He's doing part one of a 10-part uh, marine studies program where we combine the whole of the PADI open water. We've broken it up into 8 sessions, combining it with reef studies provided for us by some marine biologists from Reef Conservation, provided for us by World Reef Federation through the Green Fins Network, and provided from the experience of our own Ocean Spirit team who've dived with these fish, like Bernard has been a fisherman. He's dived amongst these fish for the last 20 years. So he knows where they go, what they do, and what their habits are. So the children are now exposed as an extracurricular activity to this extraordinary, amazing, magnificent world that is Mauritius. Mauritius is now one of the world's largest oceanographic states. With the addition of the Chagos Islands, we are the largest oceanographic state in the world. So we feel, together with Northfields, that it's time the children learned more about what belongs to them, and that's the ocean. We love it, and I'm hoping that they will love it and that they will join us. This session takes place after school hours from 3:30 in the afternoon until about 5:30 or 6. We finished at 6 yesterday. It was fantastic. We dived in the afternoon late when it was hot, when the fish were all there, and there was an enormous barracuda. He wasn't hanging there protecting the fish. He was staving off the potential predators. Can you see the young predators hanging about on the edges there? A bit nervous of the old barracuda. It was an epic day, afternoon of diving. Word of thanks to the headmaster of Northfields School, Lee Wilson, whose inspiration has driven this project forward and whose enthusiasm for scuba diving has been revived after 2 years in Uganda by the fact that he lives close to the ocean and he now is headmaster of one of the most progressive eco schools in the country. He dived with us for the first dive. He wanted to see what the ocean was like and he wanted to see what his pupils would see, and we showed him. It's fantastic when a school like this, of this caliber, encourages oceanographic studies. It's common for the schools around to play ball sports, to encourage soccer and cricket and so on. But as the world's largest oceanographic state, I do think that the ocean needs a look in the school's activities, and to make scuba diving an extracurricular activity and ocean-based studies part of that is inspirational. And we'd like to thank Lee Wilson very much indeed for offering Ocean Spirit the opportunity to drive this project. It was fabulous fun, I have to say, and I hope you'll join us. I'd also like to thank Ulrich, the PADI representative for the Indian Ocean and Africa, who has been incredibly helpful with the combination of the eco side of this project integrating with the PADI side. Thanks a lot, Ulrich. We really appreciate your help and advice here.